Come here. Look. Try again. Did you see it? This car won't start no matter what. Do you know why? Let's go to the front. The owner went to the repair shop to replace the throttle valve, checked spark plugs and ignition coils, even checked the oil lines of the entire vehicle. The problem is still not solved. Today, I will help him find out what is going on. The car won't start. Generally speaking, it is caused by the spark plug, but already checked. No glitches. Then I will know the reason. Look. That's it. It's called the camshaft position sensor. I suspect it's malfunctioning. Let's take it apart and check it out. Disconnect the connector first. Okay, then we found a sleeve tool like this. Come here. There's a screw on it. Unscrew this screw. Okay, you can take it off. Okay, the cause of the problem was found. Look, there's so much dirty stuff up there. No wonder the startup failed. Next, let's just clean it. Find a bottle of cleaning fluid. Very cheap, only $2. Now start cleaning it. Wow, oh my god, so dirty. Okay, wipe it clean. Look, so dirty. Okay, it's been cleaned now. Next, we will install it back. Okay, the installation is complete. Next, I start the car. See if the engine can start. If the startup is successful, friends, remember to give me a like. May God bless you. If you still follow me, any car problems after that, please feel free to ask me. Let's go. Put on the brakes. Start up. Look, one success. Try again. Success again. The power is very strong. The problem has been completely solved. How about it? Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn car knowledge every day.